Filmora is most popular video editing app, and its special thing is that it is not necessary for your system to be high. You can use this app in any computer and laptop. It features that you can do it by drag and drop. Open Filmora app. So this interface of Filmora is very simple and easy. You can edit amazing video with it. Import media file here. Here you can import any video. Now next option, import. Import media files. Import a media folder. Import from camera or phone. Next, record. Record from webcam. Record PC screen. Record a voiceover. Next, all option, all video, image, audio. You can also use these options. Import your files here. This is Filmora's own library, which has music, text, transition, filters, overlays, elements, split screen, and export. Now add the project. This is our timeline. Whatever video editing we will do this part. If something goes wrong, we have the option of undo and redo. Next, rotate option. Rotate your file and pictures are horizontally and vertically. Then contraction, brightness, tint, anything can control. They can do more and less, and you can do auto enhance and increasing and decreasing speeds of video. And there are many more options you can use. Next, split options. If you need to remove unwanted part, you can remove it. Next option is delete option. You can delete whatever you selected. Next, crop option. You can crop your video and pictures. Next, flash and hold option. Starting the video, show this effect. Next option is color turning option. You can do temperature and tint effect like this. Okay. Next is set duration, input duration. We have some controls, just like if we can play and pause it, as well as recording, capture options. Whatever we are doing can take a snapshot. You can also adjust the volume. And now these options, zoom in and zoom out option. Now import your video and drag and drop. The timeline options, you can do zoom in and zoom out your video. Click music option, choose choose our effect. Choose any effect, drag and drop. Timeline option. Click text option. Choose any one effect. If you have to text something, you can click this option. Write major project, change borderline, change shadow, and also change fill color. Okay. Color. Okay. Next, transition option. Choose effect and show effect and the video. Next, filter option. Choose one effect. Effect show the video like this and increasing the duration of filter. Next, overlays options. Choose effect and show the effect. Next, element option. Choose shape effect in all option. And show the video. Click split option. Two videos in one frame, one and two pictures in one frame. Select, drag the video one zone and two zone. Show effect. Next and last option is export. With export video, first name the video you want to save it and save to the location of video you want to save it. Now format option. You can save any format. Again, click export option, then click continue, then the video will starting converting. But here's the watermark problem. We have the registration option. To remove the watermark, click the register option and then you can see the email and code. You fill in the codes and email. First and important thing is you have to do your internet close. You can see you have a lots of code and email here. Anyone can write the email and code. Then click export. Your video is converting without watermark. Thank you.